Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children. See, this is 10th standard state board chapter 2 exercise 2.7 geometric progression. It is nothing but what? GP. Before we have seen the arithmetic progression AP. Now we are going to see the geometric progression GP. Let A and R be the real numbers. Let A and R be the real numbers. If R not equal to 0, then the numbers is of the form. Let A and R be the real numbers. R not equal to 0, then the number is of the form. What is the form? A comma AR comma AR square, etc. It moves on like this, etc. AR power n minus 1 is called geometric progression. GP is called geometric progression. GP. Here A is called the first term. Here A is called the first term. A is called the first term. R is called the common ratio. R is called the common ratio. R is called common ratio. R is called common ratio. A is called the first term and R is called the common ratio. General term, that is the nth term. Nth term. General nth term of GP. General nth term of GP. Geometric progression. General nth term of GP is Tn. Tn equal to AR power n minus 1. AR power n minus 1. Product of 3 consecutive terms. Product of 3 consecutive terms. Product of 3 consecutive terms. Product of 3 consecutive terms is what? There A minus D, A plus D. The same way here what we have to write? A by R comma A comma AR. A by R comma A comma AR. 3 non-zero numbers. 3 non-zero numbers. 3 non-zero numbers A comma 3 non-zero numbers A comma B comma C or in GP or in GP. A comma B comma C or in GP if and only if. If and only if, what is the value at it? B square equal to AC. B square equal to AC. Okay. See the first sum. The following sequence are in GP. We should find out the following sequence are in GP or because it has a common ratio. See, this is T1, T2, T3, T4. T2 minus T2 by T1 equal to 9 by 3. The value is 3. Okay. The same way T3 by T2. T3 by T2 equal to 27 by 9. The value is 3. It has a common ratio. Next, T4 by T3 equal to 81 by 27. The value is 3. So it has a same values. The following the given sequence are in GP. The given sequence are in GP. Okay. Now we move on to the next one. T1, T2, T3, T4. Okay. T1, T2, T3, T4. So T2 by T1. T2 by T1 equal to 44 by 4. The answer is 11. Okay. See T3 by T2. T3 by T2. 444 by 44. 444 by 44. 11 times. 11 fours are. This is 111. The values are not equal. See, T2 by T1 not equal to T3 by T2. So the given sequence are not in GP. The given sequence are not in GP. The given sequence are not in GP. Now you move on to the third subdivision. The same thing, T1, T2, T3. T1, T2, T3. See, T2 by T1. T2 by T1. It gives 0.05 by 0.5. Okay. If decimal is there, so I can multiply into 10 into 10. So what is the value we are getting? 0.5 by 5. The decimal 0.5 by 5. The answer is 0.1. The answer is 0.1. Next, T2, T3 by T2. T3 by T2. T3 is what? 0.005 by 0.05. 0.05. So into 100 into 100 into 100 because 2 decimal places. So into 100 into 100. So what is the value for this? 0.5 by 5. 0.5. 0.5 by 5. So value is 0.1. So T2 by T1 equal to T3 by T2. The ratios are same. If the ratios are same, the given sequence are in GP. The given sequence are in GP. The given sequence are in GP. Is it clear? Is it clear, children? See the same one. T1, T2, T3. T2 by T1. 1 by 6 by 1 by 3. Reciprocal that value. 1 by 6 into 3. So the value is what? 1 by 2. The value is 1 by 2. That is 3 by 1. The value is 1 by 2. The same way T3 by T2. T3 is what? 1 by 12 by 1 by 6. 1 by 12 by 1 by 6. It gives 1 by 12 into 6 by 1. So the value is what? 1 by 2. So both the terms are equal. The ratios are equal. So the given sequence are in GP. The given sequence are in GP because T2 by T1 equal to T3 by T2. Now you move on to the next one. See here, T1, T2, T3, T4. T1, T2, T3, T4. T2 by T1. T2 by T1, that is 4 by 16. 4 by 16 equal to 1 by 4. 4 by 16 equal to 1 by 4. Next, T3 by T2. T3 by T2. T3 by T2 is nothing but what? 1 by 4. T3 by T2 is 1 by 4. Next, T4 by T3. T4 by T3. 1 by 4 by 1. The value is what? 1 by 4 because all the values, the ratios are equal. See, T2 by T1 equal to T3 by T2 equal to T4 by T3. The values are same. So the given sequence are in GP. The given sequence are in GP. The given sequence are in GP. See, the first three terms are A equal to the first term, R is the common ratio. The first three terms are A comma AR comma AR square. A comma AR comma AR square. What is A? 6 comma 6 into R is what? 3. 6 into 3 square. So it gives 6 comma 18 comma 3 square is 9. 9 6 are 54. 9 6 are 54. See the same thing. The first three terms are the first three terms are a comma ar square. A comma ar square. This is the first term and this is the common ratio r. So it gives root 2 comma root 2 into root 2 comma root 2 into root 2 comma root 2 into root 2 the whole square. Root 2 into root 2 the whole square. So it gives root 2 into root 2 into root 2 is what? 2. Here root 2 into root 2 the whole square is 2. So what is the value we are getting? 2 root 2. Because root 2 the whole square, root 2 into root 2 is 2. So 2 into root 2. See here. A comma, that's the same thing. The first three terms are what are the values? A comma ar square. A comma ar square. What is A? 1000. Next one is 1000 into r is what? 2 by 5. Next one is 1000 into 2 by 5 the whole square. 1000 into 2 by 5 the whole square. So it gives C 1000 comma 1000 into 2 by 5 comma 1000 into 4 by 25. So 5 ones are 5, 200. 5 twos are 10, 200. Here see 25 ones are, see here 25 ones are 25 are 25 fours are 140. So it gives 1000. 200 into 2 is 400. 160. First three terms are 1400, 160. See, in a GP, find T7 value. What is the first value? A equal to 729. What is the next term? Some common ratio. R equal to 243 by 729. 243 by 729. When we cancel the term, what is the value? R equal to 1 by 3. What is the formula for Tn? Tn equal to A R power n minus 1. So we can apply for T7 because n value they have given us what? 7. So A value is 729. R value is 1 by 3. 1 by 3 whole power n minus 1. N value is what? 7. 7 minus 1. So it gives 729 into 1 by 3 whole power 6. So 729 is nothing but what? 3 power 6. 729 is 3 power 6. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 81, 243 and 729. So 3 power 6 into 1 by 3 power 6. 1 power 6 you are getting the same value 1. 1 by 3 power 6. So 3 power 6, 3 power 6 get cancelled. The answer is what? T7 value is what? 1. See the fourth sum. Find x so that the x plus 6, x plus 12 and x plus 15 are consecutive terms. Consecutive terms are given. What is given here? X plus 6, x plus 12, x plus 15 are consecutive terms. Next term, consecutive terms or in GP. Consecutive terms are in GP Consecutive terms of GP. consecutive terms of GP. So this is T1, T2, T3. You know very well it is a consecutive terms, it is a ratios. What is the ratio? T1 by T2 equal to T3 by T2. So x plus 12 by x plus 6 equal to T3. X plus 15 by x plus 12. So cross multiplication. Do the cross multiplication. Cross multiplication, x plus 12 into x plus 12 equal to x plus 15 into x plus 15 into x plus 6. X plus 15 into x plus 6. Now you multiply the term. X plus 12 into x plus 12 is nothing but what? X plus 12 the whole square. X plus 12 the whole square equal to x plus 15 into x plus 6. So a plus b the whole square formula. A square plus 2ab 24x plus 2ab 24x plus 144 equal to x square plus 6x plus 15x plus 90. X square plus 6x plus 15x plus 90. So x square get cancel. 24x 6x plus 15x 24x plus 144 equal to 21x plus 90. Okay. So 24x minus 21x. You can bring it to this side. Minus 21x equal to 90 minus 144. So 3x equal to minus 54. X equal to minus 54 by 3. What is the answer? It gives minus 18. It gives minus 18.